Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Mayo and what happened today when they came back to court after Urata gave an ultimatum. What am I going to say? Because it was just like, decide to when you looked like umuntu ofuna ukungala and be like a dube and be like hayi ke mina ngisamele ku-accuse number 1. You remember that, right? So Advocate Charles Mnisi paying guys for the postponement. I was just like, even now until the 19th, because he is not prepared to represent Umusi yet. He's not prepared, guys. I mean, usafunda 40,000 to 60,000 pages. He's not finished. Advocate Zandile Mshololo is not present in court again today. Apparently today she is sick. That's what she said. I was just like, you know what, she must just bring the letter because uzobana inkinga ngosamnorathazi. I worry about this. Yakhumbula usuratha ndaba nabanye abantu abangayiphethe incwadi. But bona unendaba nabo. Yakhumbula uPinky Valingem. Just like, why she must go? She's not feeling well. But maku mhlambe ku usibiya bakwagula. Yena umuzi lo. Accuse number 1 omelo omnisi, but they didn't get it. They were like, whatever. I just feel like just as much as Ubalo, he is the one who normally speak before the defense, you know, just to tell you that's what's going on. He stands up and then he starts to say stuff about but he doesn't really have like the whole story, you know, until Umalo was like, okay, this is what's going on. She won't be able to come. And then Uratage, I mentioned this whole thing, he notice of a motion that he found on his desk from Advocate Charlton Mnisike. Can you just read it for us? But you could see like slighting character is not over yet, you know, because on the second video that I'm gonna do after this one, I talk a lot about that. So the first thing he says there on the notice of motion yakhe Umnisi is like, you know what, I am not ready, so I'm asking for another postponement. Basically, he wasn't even trying to back down. He was just like, this is what's going on, and this is exactly how I feel. But I guess, guys, it's not about feelings. It's more about what's good for him. You know, he can't rush this thing. And like I had said, rushing, though, how is it going to help us? Help the Mayuas get justice. That's just my thing. So I have tabled everything on my notice of motion. No, Advocate Mnisi is showing respect, guys, to Urata and was explaining to Urata that I did like an affidavit for legal aid as well. Legal aid, what's going on, you know. I had a meeting with them as well that same day. But it was late for he actually did have a meeting with he had a meeting with legal aid, guys. I mean, it's obvious to say that Baba Mnisi, I'm not trying to swindle you. That's what he was trying to say, obviously, when he was talking about legal aid. He was trying to tell them, I'm not trying to swindle you some money, land. Knows what's going on. I'm not really ready to represent Unam or accuse number 1, but I will represent him. Just I need to finish with his evidence so that I can be able to defend him. I need to finish with the 40 to 60,000 pages. I cannot be rushed. So he must also tell legal aid to a point where he even did like an affidavit for them. He did read it Umnisige notice of motion yakhe. Umnisi did mostly explain around his reasons of postponing. One of the crucial reasons being the work was too much for him. The 42 to 60,000 pages is a lot for him, and that he had asked the judge Urata before for a postponement, and he does understand this is like the second or the third time. Basically, he's asking again to postpone until the 19th. Advocate Mnisi does agree that he underestimated the amount. Remember, I did say on the video, 2 videos actually before this one, I did explain that he didn't think it would be 2 months actually that he needed or more, you know, but has never really heard of an experienced advocate like himself who finished 60,000 pages in 2 months. So he was just like justifying himself, basically justifying himself here. Say, guys, whatever you think, but angwena, I mean. Like I was saying, guys, people are not the same. What must he do, you know? Mr. says after he consulted with Umuzi Sibiya, which was, he went to him twice to consult with him, he learned about a number of things which did not form record in the transcripts he was given. Akambisani, he was just like, I'm learning other things here. I'm just like, what's going on, you know? So basically the transcripts that were given to him. So in a way, when he met Umuzi Kakalela Sibiya, it was like he's starting all over, you know, after reading all of those things. Manje Sibiya is telling him other things. It's just like, what? Just as much as Urata was busy saying things like, what is hard? Because you've been sitting in court, you know exactly what people have been talking about. Like, why kunzima? Although I feel sometimes I'm gaslighter, like I even said on my other video, Ufiluguti is slow coaching. Like, what's going on there? And then Umnisi did mention Uguti Konamanyama transcripts that he still doesn't have. And then by the look of things, we are states, they like giving them trips by trips. Isn't understand why? Why can't you just give them all the information and this thing of them also adding other things the state? It doesn't have those are the things the guys has brought and especially who advocate Zandile Msholo. The was also like, he ambushing us. Those were his ways. And Umnisi made it clear that he's doing his best. It's not like any uyadlala mhlambe or he's being malicious or anything like that, but he's at work, he's trying all he can do. Remember, nobody wamkhulumela last week, you know what's on 17th. He's doing his best, guys, at the end of the day. It's not like he's just chilling, he's reading his pages. And that he's doing his best to help number one, and that justice delayed is justice denied. We understand. So he's doing his best, guys. I mean, Umnisi Fed said he is not, like I said, he's saying this is not some malicious situation. He's not trying to be malicious in the manner he is conducting the case. He says he is well aware that the accused is entitled to a fair trial. Like I said, guys, in my previous videos, that hurrying this case is not going to help us. We want justice for Senzomi. That is all we want. And to come back, Foot is also not going to help us. We can't have someone new. It's just a different lawyer. Finally, you've seen the case. I mean, on TV, you know what's going on, but I mean, still not enough. We prefer Umnisi at this stage. Can we just give him time to breathe a bit, you know? Like I said, the state, they like ambushing them, like they are always saying, Umshololo, Beno. They've said it to ambush you, information on the last minute. They've just added other things, some photos. Urata even asked, what photos now? You know, like, guys, those are his things in any case, including evidence at the last minute, you know, which is not fair. He actually received that on the 25th of March. Come on, guys, like, these are crazy things, though, that Ubalo is always doing. You know how it is. Urata will be saying things like the accused are all the same. Actually, they committed the same crime. But guys, it's not the same. It's not the same. What Umnisi must defend who accused number one on. Guys, I will do another video tonight, right? Just wanted to say, guys, there's someone who said, I can't speak English, but I don't understand. Right now, I'm speaking English. You know what's crazy, though, about that? They said it in Zulu. Why can't you tell me in English, because I can speak English? You understand my point? He says to me in Zulu, your English is bozy. That's what he said. And you know which ones are these people, right? He's new on this channel, you can tell. And I don't even think he knows anything about Senzomiwa's case. And he doesn't understand that this is not about me. This is not about him. This is about Senzomiwa and his family and the justice that they must get. When you come here, like I've said, guys, really, there's no problem. YouTube. I was demonetized last day in April. I don't need this. That's all I'm trying to do here. Guys, I guess I'll finish off again later the stuff that Rata was reading sections akhe, you know how he is, trying to explain and said again that he has 50 years experience in. So we're going to continue with that later in the evening. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your support.